Hello, I just wanted to give a quick update as we this evening head into this new phase of restrictions for us in Conwy, as we form part of the Wales-wide Welsh Government decision behind a national fire break or circuit breaker, as it's previously been called. As a reminder, what that means for us is that we must stay at home except for very limited purposes such as exercise. We must work from home wherever possible. We must not visit other households or meet other people that do not live with, either indoors or outdoors. No gatherings will be allowed outdoors. All non-food, retail, hospitality businesses, close contact services and events and tourism businesses such as hotels must close as well. Community centres, libraries and recycling centres will also be required to close. So again, this means a big shift in the way that we live in our lives here. And of course, we can all hope that when these restrictions are changed on the 9th of November, that many of the liberties that we've enjoyed normally are returned back to us.